Shopify POS, how to get paid. It's finally possible. You have finally decided to open your own brick and mortar store. Congratulations. Next, you will need to set up a payment system in order to start making sales. You might be curious about how Shopify Point of Sale will pay you. This is a quick overview of Shopify POS and how to get paid with this popular point of sale system. How does Shopify Point of Sale work? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows entrepreneurs to create and manage their own online shops. Shopify has its own point of sale system that allows merchants to take payments in person. Shopify POS will provide you with a card reader that can be plugged into your iPhone or iPad when you sign up. Shopify Point of Sale allows you to ring up customers and take payments via debit or credit card. To speak with someone about a payments account, click the link below. Shopify POS. Get paid. Shopify Point of Sale integrates with your Shopify account. This is one of the best things about Shopify POS. All of your sales data between your online shop and your physical store will be synced, making it much easier to track inventory and revenue. Shopify Point of Sale integrates with your Shopify account, so payments are deposited directly to your bank account. This is just as it would be if someone purchased from your website. You don't need to create a separate merchant account. All you need is a Shopify account and you can accept payments in person. You now know the basics of Shopify POS and how to get paid with this popular point of sale system. It's time for you to set up your physical store. Shopify Point of Sale allows you to accept payments directly from customers and deposit those funds into your bank account. Why are you waiting? Start selling today. To speak with a payment representative, click the link below.